Meanderers. I'm checking out the Charlotte International Arts Festival. Come with me. The Charlotte International Arts Festival is an annual celebration of imaginative visual and performing arts from the most creative international and local minds. With over 200 attractions, many for free, this festival has something for everyone. Today, we are checking out the Uptown Sculpture Garden. First, we're checking out Lotty by Vaga. Lotty is an interactive giant squid who brings a sense of wonder and playfulness to the sculpture garden. Lotty has spread joy across various festivals, and it isn't his first time at this one. Visitors of all ages can engage with its long, vibrant tentacles, which mimic an old-fashioned tin can telephone, inviting playful communication. Whether you're young or young at heart, Lotty's whimsical presence is sure to capture your imagination. This is Constellation by LED Labs. There's not too much to see here besides the sculpture in the daytime, but at night, prepare to be amazed by Constellation, a star-shaped canopy that glows with over 21,000 LED lights. As you walk beneath the 26-foot-wide masterpiece, the lights pulse in time with classical music, transporting you to a world filled with magic and wonder. I Am by Courtney Palo Alto. I Am is a series of papel picado cutouts made with tinted vinyl. These showcase images that reflect the artist's upbringing and the defining features of who she is. This is Planet Pretend by Heather Costell. Planet Pretend is home to some of the most curious creatures you'll ever meet. First up, we have Slooper, the space slug who leaves rainbows in its wake. Next, meet Chubby, a pink explorer who loves collecting earthly treasures. Next, there's Jelly, the octopus-like creature who travels on land and sea with her trusty friends, the Gurples, although we think the Gurples may have been kidnapped because we couldn't find them. Finally, meet Rocklet, a shy rock offering a peaceful home for crystal creatures. Keep an eye out for their magical touches. Is This Love by Laura Sexton. This oversized teddy bear, lovingly crafted from recycled plastic bags, is a charming, eco-conscious creation. Named Is This Love, it invites us to reconsider the materials we use and the meaning we attach to familiar objects. Interlude by Kat Babby. Interlude invites you to step inside its curling cocoon-like embrace. This freestanding sculpture encourages you to walk around and through its winding structure, offering a moment of reflection and calm. While we were exploring Interlude, we made a new friend. Mariposa by LED Labs. Mariposa is an enchanting, larger-than-life butterfly sculpture that soars 15 feet above the ground. Adorned with over 39,000 LEDs, Mariposa's wings come alive as visitors gently swing beneath her, creating a captivating interplay of motion and light. The wings are illuminated with vibrant images choreographed to a mix of classical and pop music, making the experience visually and musically immersive. Crafted from lightweight aluminum, the butterfly's design is both elegant and durable, with intricate pivoting wings that move gracefully as if alive. And boy, this is another one that sure did come to life at night. Evanescent by Atelier Sisu. Evanescent is a breathtaking sensory experience that captures the delicate, fleeting nature of life, much like a bubble. This immersive installation combines light, sound, and movement to evoke the feelings of impermanence and ephemerality. Created during the COVID-19 pandemic, the artwork reflects a world where everything familiar seemed to vanish. Visitors are invited to step inside the glowing orbs, which swell and shrink, symbolizing the beauty of moments that exist briefly before disappearing. This is so cool. It is a stunning reminder to live in the present and cherish the transience of life. As night falls, Evanescent truly comes to life. The glowing orbs radiate soft, shifting colors, creating an ethereal atmosphere that transforms the space around them. The interplay of light and shadow on surrounding surfaces enhances the immersive quality, making it feel as though you're floating inside a dream. Each bubble reflects the delicate beauty of moments that pass, illuminating the night with a mesmerizing, otherworldly glow. It's better at night. The installation becomes a visual reminder of life's fleeting yet brilliant nature. While the sculpture garden is a peaceful and inviting spot to explore during the day, at night it transforms into something truly magical. The art comes alive under the glow of lights, making the garden a destination worth visiting after dark. The contrast from day to night is dramatic, and the experience is nothing short of enchanting. Well, that's it for this experience. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you can keep meandering with me. Thanks for watching. Now go watch my video where I visit the land of Oz in the North Carolina mountains.